Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we've got something stylish and functional to talk about: the Vivefox Pink Wireless Keyboard. Stay tuned as we explore this keyboard's features and how it can enhance your daily computing experience. Let's start with the unboxing experience. We'll unveil what's inside the box and share our initial thoughts on the Vivefox Pink Wireless Keyboard. Pink, sleek, and elegant. Join us as we take a closer look at the design and build of this wireless keyboard. We'll discuss its compact form factor and how it fits seamlessly into your workspace. One keyboard, multiple devices. The Vivefox Pink Wireless Keyboard is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. We'll explore how it offers the flexibility to switch between layouts and the convenience it brings to multi-device users. Despite its compact size, this keyboard doesn't compromise on functionality. We'll dive into the full-size layout, complete with a number pad and media keys, making it ideal for work and play. Comfort is key. Discover how the Vivefox Pink Wireless Keyboard provides a comfortable typing experience with its matte coating and silicone cover. Say goodbye to greasy fingers and hello to extended typing comfort. Ergonomics matter. We'll discuss how this keyboard's gentle slope and contoured design contribute to a more comfortable typing posture, reducing strain on your wrists and arms. But that's not all. The package includes a wireless mouse with adjustable DPI settings. We'll explain how this mouse complements your computing tasks and lets you switch between DPI levels effortlessly. Work smarter, not harder. Explore the 15 dedicated hotkeys on the Vivefox Pink Wireless Keyboard for instant access to various functions. We'll also cover how the FM lock enhances your productivity. Hassle-free setup. Learn how the 2-in-1 USB-A and USB-C receiver make this keyboard and mouse combo compatible with a wide range of devices. Plug, play, and get to work in no time. Efficiency meets eco-friendliness. We'll discuss the low power consumption features of this keyboard, including its automatic sleep mode and convenient on-off buttons. Wrapping it up, the Vivefox Pink Wireless Keyboard brings together style and substance, making it an excellent choice for both work and leisure. We've covered its design, compatibility, comfort, and productivity-enhancing features. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech insights right here on Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one. This has been Product Critique, signing off.